So in today's Style File, we are sharing the perfect gift for all of your best girlfriends, maybe your mom, your sister. I've got a few of those to shop for, even your teenage daughter. It's actually a beauty trend that started in big name stores like Sephora, but now has trickled down to everyday drugstores as well. Studio 5 style and beauty contributor Megan Moore is here to show off the best makeup kits in the beauty world. I'm excited for this.
This is a good one, and I'm excited for it too.
So I first heard the buzz, I didn't get in on it, but Kylie Jenner, younger sister of the Kardashian clan, she released her lip kits about a year or so ago, and they exploded. And since then, it seems all we're hearing about are beauty brands putting out these kits.
Yeah, it's great for them because it kind of tricks you into buying new products, but it's also great for you because then you can experience more than one thing. A lot of times there are lower prices when we take a lot of products and put them together, so it's a great way to gift yourself or somebody else as well.
You're getting a good sampling.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay. You've narrowed it down to 5 of your favorite makeup kits that are on beauty shelves right now. What's first?
Okay, so this first one over here is a brand called Stowaway. Now, Stowaway specializes in tiny little mini cute products.
These are small.
They're tiny. They're perfect for traveling. The great thing about them, though, is they pack a punch. So even though they're small, they're highly pigmented. They work great. This concealer is one of my favorite concealers. Doesn't matter if it's mini or big. And then the great thing about it is a 6-piece collection. So literally you can travel with it. It's got your foundation, concealer, blush, lipstick, mascara, and a liner. And the great thing too is you could put it in your purse, you could put it in your desk, drawer at the office. So it's a great way to have a little kit with you wherever you go. And mini is mighty in this case.
And are most kits giving you a full face option?
Not all of them. Some of them are. The ones that have a full face are going to be a little bit pricier, but it's just like I said, it's a great way to just take it on the go. And literally everything in here is such great quality that it doesn't matter that it's mini. In fact, that's what makes it great.
And they've done the color matching, I assume, for you, right?
Yeah, and you can pick your different tones on the website and then they'll send them to you.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Look. All right, this is cool looking.
This is fun, packaging-wise.
Yeah.
This is a Benefit product, and their packaging is always super fun. They have a few of these kits out for winter right now. So again, this would be a great gift to give, right? But open it up, and it's got some of Benefit's best-selling products in size, and they're full size, which makes it so great. So this package is $39. If you bought it alone, it would be about $87. So it's a great value.
Oh, yeah.
And Benefit, we know their mascara. This is one of their top-selling mascaras. It's got their cult favorite bronzer. That's definitely something I use almost daily. And then a highlight for your brow and for your cheeks. So
you know how I feel about that high beam, Megan.
I know that high beam. It's so good. So this is such a great value, and it's a fun gift to give as well.
Yeah, I love when the packaging can be the wrapping.
Yeah, isn't that cool?
Yeah, kill 2 birds with 1 stone. What's this brand?
Okay, so this is Maybelline.
Maybelline.
So you're gonna find this one in Target or wherever. Now they recently launched a collaboration with Gigi Hadid, the model, and she's young, so she kind of speaks to a younger demographic. So this one is a great one, I would say, for your teenage girls, your nieces, whoever like that. It's a great palette because it literally has everything all in one place. You've got concealers, you've got some lip colors, all these great eyeshadows, highlighter, bronzer, and even a little tiny mini mascara. But this is perfect. You could put it in a locker, right? You could keep it, just like wherever you're gonna go. And it's gorgeous. And her, all of the Maybelline staples that you love, right? All in one place.
I love your quick cat-like reflexes.
Right? Got
Good
it.
grab, good grab. All right, this is Tarte. We love that line.
Yeah, now how gorgeous is this packaging as well, right? This is called the Magic Star. So just giving that alone is beautiful. But then the fun thing happens when you open it up and bam.
Oh, stop.
Look at that.
Oh, my heart just let out a sigh. Look at that palette.
Isn't that stunning? So the palette alone is worth the cost, like hands down. But if you look at the corners, we've got blushes, we've got bronzer, highlighter, and then we've even got lip products built in, a little mascara. So literally everything you need. Now, if you bought this separately, all these products, it would be over $400.
Oh, wow.
If you buy it in this kit, it's $49.
Oh my gosh.
So if you're not, just doing the math alone, this is amazing. And Tarte, all of the colors are just, stunning.
I haven't used Tarte powder products. How's the pigmentation?
Gorgeous.
Yeah?
Their eyeshadows are some of my absolute favorites.
stunning.
So pretty, right?
That's so pretty.
Gorgeous.
I want that. Santa, are you listening? Santa, I want that.
I'll call your husband
Thank
later.
you so much. All right, finally.
Okay, and this is a Bare Minerals kit. Bare Minerals, a lot of people love it, but if you've never used it, it's a great time to jump into it and buy their starter kit.
Good for your skin, right?
Great for your skin. It's a mineral makeup. These kits come out every year, and there's lots of varieties, but this one's my favorite. It's the original collection. It comes with the powder foundation, a setting powder. It also comes with their primer and a brush, so it's a really great way to test out several of their products. It's a complexion kit, right? It's just it's gonna like work your skin out perfectly. But it's a great value, and it just gives you everything you need. So definitely something to scoop up this time of year.
I'm into this. Kits. Great gift
Isn't it
idea,
fun?
but great for the makeup sampler, someone who wants to dabble and try out the
Exactly.
beauty brands. All right, as luck would have it, Megan is giving away many of these kits, right? On your
All of them.
Instagram? All of them.
All 5 to 5 different winners.
Awesome.
So head over to my Instagram at Beauty Snoop, and I'm going to be drawing 5 winners at the end of the week.
Beauty Snoop is where you find her. Lots of other great beauty information and sources there as well. Merry Christmas, my friend.